Hi guys, it's Katie. I come all the way from Melbourne to Shoes of Hollywood to pick up these beautiful Aspire tinted pink pleasers. They're in the lovely pleaser box that they usually come in to store them nice and safe. Let's check these ones out. Come with their little carry bag as well for safe travels. I love these things because you can hang them up from your cupboard and everything. But I store most of mine in boxes on the top of my shelf, but when I travel a lot, so it comes in handy. So these ones, they got the see-through pink tint. So we have showed you the normal tint ones before, but this one's got the nice pink to it. So if we hold it up to the light, that looks beautiful. So I just wonder what it will look like outdoors, so we'll go check that out as well. The soles are a bit different to the usual ones. They're made of a bit different material, all vegan friendly still. It's sort of a bit thicker here, like memory foam. So I think that will be pretty comfy. I just grabbed the other one too. And they got nice thick clear straps too, so you can't really notice the straps when you're wearing them. Also, these ones are only 6 inches and they've got a higher platform than usual, so your foot won't be on much of a slant at all. So these are super comfy and they're great for if you're just starting to get into wearing pleasers. These 6 inches is the first pleaser I ever wore, and then I moved up in the inches. So let's give these ones a try on and see how they go walking. Now with the clear straps, it really shows off your toes, so make sure you got beautiful toenail polish on, preferably matching the shoes. I think red really pops out in this, especially with the nylon underneath. Over time, these will mold even more to your feet because of the cushion, so they fit you better and get more comfy with time. Feeling really good already. Let's see how these go walking. Oh, very easy to stand up, very comfy, low to the ground, super easy to walk in. But not only does Shoes of Hollywood sell shoes, I just found that they have some wigs too. So, what do you think if I try one of these on and give it a go? I'm thinking maybe this one. I like the ones with the fringes. It's really cute. I'll try this on in front of the mirror. So this one has a tag on it still. I might just leave that on, and I don't have a hairnet at the moment, but I'm going to get this wig today anyway. It's really great for just changing up your look. This one blends with my normal hair, so I don't have to put my hair up first. So it just makes my hair even more thicker and have more volume to it. I think this one looks great and really natural. And I can do the buckle up on the inside of the wig too, if I'd like it to be a bit more secure. And these shoes are just great to walk in. I'll just show you the side view of these. Now I'd love to go see these in the light outside and see what happens. Let's go check it out. The wig's staying on really comfy as well. Oh, don't forget to subscribe and also leave me some comments below. Also, if you like this little bell at the top, you get notifications every time a new video is uploaded. The sun is out, so let's see how they look in the sunlight. These are very easy to walk in, don't have to go slow at all. It is very hot out here, so we won't be out here too long though. The light in them is amazing. I love pink. So let's get back inside because it's quite warm out here. I think it's just hit 38 degrees Celsius. In America, maybe that's around 100 Fahrenheit. So quite warm. Plus very humid here. Compared to Melbourne, we have a very dry heat. So in Brisbane, it's quite, you get, yeah, just uncomfortable. These ones are super comfy. So if you are looking for gifts for people just interested in pleasers, I think these are great shoes to start off with. They also can slide off easily if you don't want to unbuckle them. I usually fit them to my size and then I just leave them like that the whole rest of the time, especially with nylon stockings. Very easy. Put on and off. And the wig feels amazing as well. So thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and leave some comments below.